Unleash your inner artist with a guide to the art of painting miniatures. First, acquire essential tools: miniature figures, modeling tools, brushes of varying sizes, paints created for miniatures, a wet palette to prevent drying paints, and a place to paint. Prep your miniature with a primer coat. Thin, even coats of the primer will help the paint adhere to the plastic and provide a consistent base coat. Apply a base coat. Use paints appropriate for miniatures. Thin your paints with a medium to prevent streaks and create a smooth and even base layer. Then let it dry completely. Apply a wash. A wash is a thinned down paint used to fill in the details of your miniatures, adding shadows and dimension. Apply it over the base coat, allowing it to settle into crevices and recesses. Highlight the raised areas. Use a lighter shade of your base coat to highlight the raised areas. This will bring depth to your miniature. Finish with varnish. Protect your miniature with a layer of varnish after the paint is dry. Gloss, satin, or matte varnishes can be used to provide different effects.